How to make your Facebook profile private. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Facebook application on your device and then go straight to the menu. Scroll down a little and you will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that and then tap on privacy shortcuts. Here you will be able to make changes to help you control your privacy and security on Facebook. Under Privacy, tap on Take a Privacy Checkup option and then tap on Who can see what you share. Now tap on Continue. You will be allowed to review these information here and make changes accordingly. Scroll down to the bottom until you see the option for Friends and Following. You will see two options there. Firstly, tap on the drop down you see there beside Who can see your friend list on your profile and select the option for Only Me or Friends. Then tap on the drop down beside Who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow and select the option for Only Me or Friends. Now tap on Next. Here on the default audience, tap on the drop down again and select Friends. Tap on Limit under Limit Past Posts. This will limit all the past posts on your timeline. Now tap on Next and then tap on Next again and you are all set with a private Facebook profile. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.